Welcome back, folks. Today's video, it will be the first part of getting your vehicle ready for a long trip. In my case, will be from UK to Romania, because I'm planning to drive all the way there, and it's going to be about 16 to 1800 miles. And I want to make sure the vehicle is in top shape for getting there. So what I'm about to show you today is just the first part. It will be, I think, 2 more parts at least. And yeah, and then if you like, I will show you some images. I'll make a short vlog until I get there somehow, things like that. But yeah, I'm driving there by myself, but I'm getting my family on the way back. So yeah, it's gonna be 4 of us. So let's get right into it. First, I'm trying these microphones, wireless microphones, and I've noticed that if I put it here, it doesn't sound that good tied to my t-shirt. So I'm gonna speak into the microphone like this. Yeah, so if you watched any of my videos in the past, you know I'm a car guy. You know I love my Volvos, and I always considered what I'm about to show you in this video not being a car guy mod. Not a mod, definitely. I'm not gonna insist on that. But yesterday I just found out that these things are really necessary for a daily driving car, and I'm about to show you how and why. Coffee break. So in short terms, my brother asked me to take him to this interview, right, that he had at over 200 miles away from home. So he drives daily this scooter that is under this cover, which is electric. Of course, he couldn't drive that to the interview and then waste hours to recharge it, come back home, and still have time to sleep for next day at the job. So he asked me to take him to drive him there, which I did. But it's way better to wait to arrive there before and wait for some time instead of arriving there late. So we had to wait in my car, right? While we waited, it was pouring down outside. It was a heavy rain. So we had to sit in the car with all our windows up, and it was terrible. Why? Because the whole car, all windows were foggy. Foggy so hard that you could have seen drips falling down, uh, going down on windows, right? And then I thought, you know what? This is not actually a mod, but is a definitely, in that case especially, something that I really need to have on my car. What I'm talking about, of course, is this box right here that I just bought. And if you can't really tell, some wind deflectors. Yeah, if I had these on my car yesterday, it would have been so nice to let the windows down, all 4 of them, right? At least a couple inches, and then to have air to breathe, and still the rain can't get inside the car. So this whole package comes with this paper here. So I'm about to install them. Let's see how it goes. Coffee break. is a shot of before. You see, yeah. This is a shot after. Hope you can see it nicely. Just what I was saying, if I would have been able yesterday to have this much of a gap with window down when it was raining, couldn't rain inside the car, but also I could have breathed and windows will not be foggy. But I guess this is it. So honestly, the job is not hard to do. It's a simple DIY thing, but when you want to install this, you need to be careful. So as you can see, it has these stickers. 1, 2. This, if you ask me, I think they should have had another one in the middle here. But anyway, those are stickers, so you can put that in there, the end of it in there, and then you will have, hold on, a bag with some small things like these, which you have to put one here and one there. But when you put them after you place the wind deflector in there, you have to put it with this small pointy, I don't know, sharp thing. Yeah, you have to put it towards inside the car, not outside, because outside the car will be the wind deflector. So you have to put it inside the car like that. Push it, I don't know, with a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver or whatever. Just put it in there and make sure you place it just how the window sits up there, and that will be it. Simple as that. Same thing with the back door. Just peel off these. As you can see, the back one has more stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4. But anyway, so you have to put in there one end, then with the other just go slide down, put it back in there and lift it up just easy, not to break it, because these are plastic or something like that, and it's easy to break one. And you don't want to spend money on end time until it gets on another set, because you can't get only one. Yeah, so yeah, in my opinion, this is almost done that one. So now we're getting back to the fourth and last, and we're done. And as you can see, it's not even looking bad. Actually nice. It's not that, it doesn't stick that far out of the car, so I think they are very well made, and they flow. They are aerodynamic as well, so yeah. Coffee break. And I forgot to mention that you should clean that portion over there inside the channel prior to installing these. It's not gonna be all clean and everything, but just take out as much as you can, because I filled up a whole rag with some black gunk from in there, and it is what it is. But yeah, clean it a bit, and after that install these. And this is the final result. This is how the car looks. This is how you see it better. There you go. Clean. It's just like it was supposed to be there. And I have to put these on just to let everybody know the most power, but also the issues that comes with a 6-piston engine. One of them, which is most common, is that thing over there leaking, and that's the vacuum pump. And normally the seals on it will fail, and I don't know if you can see, but it's leaking somewhere there around that area. Look over there at the bottom of it, just there. It's wet. It's making everything wet, full of oil in down there. Look, everything is getting messed up. So I have to get the part number, buy the seals, because like I said, it's a well-known issue with these engines. So I'm gonna buy the seals and hopefully it will get fixed. As a recap, bought new tires for the front wheels because I had an issue, like I said in my previous video, with the spacers on. They used only this side of the tire because the wheels were outside like that. So the upper part was out, the inside, the lower side was in under the car, and the wheels were like that. So bought new set of tires for the front because the back is nice and pretty. Put these on because I want to keep the theme on blue and silver. Took the number from the part number from the vacuum pump. Put these lovely and very useful wind deflectors, and that's about it for this video. But I have more things to do to make it ready for the trip to Romania, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching.